If you're anything like me, managing your personal finances might seem daunting, but imagine if there was an AI tool that could simplify it to the point of feeling as effortless as texting with a friend or browsing through a social media platform. Would that make a difference for you? But before we dive into this AI tool, let me give you some background on why AI is such a big deal in the finance industry. As you all probably know, AI has been advancing rapidly in recent months, thanks to the availability of huge amounts of data, powerful computing resources, and breakthroughs in algorithms and techniques. It has been transforming various sectors of the economy, such as healthcare, education, entertainment, and of course, finance. AI can now help financial institutions and consumers with tasks such as fraud detection, risk management, customer service, investment advice, and more. But AI can also help individuals with their personal finances, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for their goals. But there is a problem. Most people don't have access to these AI tools or don't know how to use them effectively. That's where Wally comes in. Wally is a personal finance app that has been helping millions of users around the world since 2014. It helps you track your spending, set budgets, reach your goals, and get insights on your finances. Wally has been rated #1 over 40 times by various publications and experts, such as Forbes, Economic Times, BBC, Investopedia, and more. It is constantly evolving and innovating to provide the best user experience and value. And that's why they have recently introduced a groundbreaking feature, Wally GPT, which is an AI assistant that can revolutionize your personal finance management. And it is powered by OpenAI's GPT-3. So what can Wally GPT do for you? Well, a lot of things. Let me give you some examples. First of all, it can answer any question you have about your finances. You can ask Wally GPT anything from simple queries like, how much did I spend on groceries last month? To complex ones like, how can I optimize my tax deductions? Or, what are the best investment options for my risk profile? It will give you clear, concise, and personalized answers based on your data and preferences. Then it can help you plan for your future. Whether you want to save for retirement, buy a house, travel the world, or pay off your debt, Wally GPT can help you create realistic and achievable plans that suit your needs and goals. You can ask it questions like, how much do I need to save for a wedding? Or, how long will it take me to pay off my student loan? Or, what are the best ways to grow my wealth? It will analyze your situation and recommend budgets and savings plans that work for you. Also, this AI tool can offer insights into investment opportunities and market trends. If you want to grow your money faster and smarter, it can help you find the best investment options for your portfolio. You can ask Wally GPT questions like, what are the best stocks to buy right now? Or, how is the cryptocurrency market doing? And it will give you data-driven and unbiased advice based on your goals and risk tolerance. Now, while the possibilities of tools like Wally GPT are certainly exciting, it's essential to consider the broader implications of this technology. We should reflect on the potential risks and downsides of relying so heavily on an AI tool for our financial management. For instance, even though AI models like this are highly advanced, they're not perfect and can make mistakes or overlook crucial nuances. They might not fully consider the unique and unpredictable aspects of our individual lives that could significantly impact our financial strategies. Similarly, the AI might not be able to pick up on sudden market changes or global financial disruptions as quickly as a seasoned financial advisor. Also, despite all security measures, cyber threats and privacy concerns are always a possibility in the digital world. It's essential to use these tools judiciously and complement them with regular financial check-ins with human experts and a conscious awareness of your financial situation. So while AI can certainly transform the way we handle our finances, it is by no means a substitute for personal responsibility and oversight. So I wouldn't claim this is the perfect solution to our financial management needs, but it definitely represents a significant step forward. The lingering question is, can we really entrust all our financial data, goals, and plans to a tech company? That might seem risky. However, on the bright side, this could potentially enhance your understanding of finance. If you're keen on improving your knowledge about money matters, Wally GPT can serve as your personal guide. Whether you're curious about what compound interest is, how inflation affects your buying power, it is equipped to provide straightforward and comprehensible explanations to these questions. Now let's talk about how does it work? How does it know these things? And how does it communicate with you? Well, it works based on GPT-3 technology, which has learned from billions of words available on the internet and has the ability to generate written content on any subject, in any style. Wally GPT employs the capabilities of GPT-3 to gather a large body of financial information from diverse sources, including news articles, reports, academic research, and blogs. This vast pool of knowledge is then utilized to answer your queries, give you insights, and provide guidance on financial matters. But what makes it truly unique is its ability to use your personal data and preferences to customize its responses to align with your specific requirements and objectives. It communicates with you through a chat interface that is integrated into the Wally app. You can type or speak your questions or requests to Wally GPT and get instant responses in natural language. You can also see graphs, charts, tables, and other visual aids that Wally GPT generates to help you understand your finances better. Wally GPT is designed to be friendly and helpful personal finance assistant. It is not a robot or a machine that talks to you in a cold and impersonal way, but more like a conversational agent that talks to you in a casual and human-like way. Also, it can often be fun and entertaining. It can crack jokes, tell stories, make references to pop culture, and even write poems or songs about finance. Another interesting thing is that it can also adapt its tone and style to match your mood and personality. So whether you want a serious or a playful conversation, it can accommodate you. Now, the critical aspect in this entire process is your security. The creators of Wally GPT assure that this tool is designed to be safe, secure, and respects your privacy. They emphasize that Wally is designed with your security and privacy at its core. First of all, it does not collect or store your card information or username and password. It cannot make transfers, payments, or charge your card. Actually, Wally only accesses your financial data with your permission and uses it to provide you with better service. Secondly, connecting your accounts to Wally is encrypted end-to-end, PCI compliant, ISO 27001 certified, and GDPR compliant. This means that your data is protected from unauthorized access or misuse by anyone. Moreover, Wally never ever shares, sells, or rents your data. I personally appreciate this aspect, as it's unsettling to think of our information being sold off to advertisers. It's clear that Wally values user privacy, utilizing your data solely for the purpose of assisting you with your financial management. So there you have it, Wally GPT, the first ever personal finance app powered by artificial intelligence. This could very well be a game changer that guides you in managing your money, helps you plan for the future, and even educates you about finance, all through the capabilities of AI. But this leaves us with some questions. What will be the impact of such technology on the financial planning industry? How will it change the roles of financial planners and advisors? Will AI eventually replace human experts? Or will it work in harmony with them? For these answers, we'll just have to wait and see. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about AI and personal finance. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.